Hello everyone, welcome to Chess YouTube channel. This is Nimzowitsch Defence rap. I am going to show you 4 different raps in Nimzowitsch Defence. In the end of this video, I am going to give you a checkmate puzzle for you. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. Let's go to the raps. Okay. Everyone, welcome to Chess YouTube channel. This is rap number 1. How to black wins white checkmate in 11 moves. Why white lost this match? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then first move of black, knight c6. This is called Nimzowitsch Defence. Now white turn d4. He puts the pawn to d4, then e5. Now this pawn attack the white pawn. That's why white puts the pawn to d5. Now attack the knight by the pawn. That's why knight go to ce7. Then white turn now. White pawn go to c4. Now defend the pawn. In this case, how to black played it. Now knight g6. This is amazing and super move. Okay, we will see how to count this much white. White knight go to f3. In some moves, black wins white checkmate. Okay, then black turn now bishop c4, c5. Sorry, black c5. Then knight c3. Develop the knight white. Then black played d6. Now open the file of bishop. We can see now. Now this file is open, bishop come to this line. Okay. Then we will see how to count this much white, sorry. Knight a4. Now this knight attack the black bishop. In this case, now black check. Black played bishop b6, he go back to b6. Then b4, he push the pawn to b4. Then knight f6. Okay, we will see how to count this much white. White bishop go to g5. Now pin the knight by the bishop. In this case, now beautiful move make black. Black bishop cut the 4. Now bishop sacrifice. Okay. If king go to e2, he cannot cut. Then knight cross e4. Okay. In one move, black wins white checkmate. If white take this queen, this is big mistakes he did white. That's why easily won black. Black knight go to f4 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is rap number 1 in Nimzowitsch Defence. Okay, let's go to the rap number 2. Hello everyone. Welcome to Chess YouTube channel. This is rap number 2 in Nimzowitsch Defence. Why I resign in 13 moves only? How to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then knight c6. This is called Nimzowitsch Defence. d4, e5. Now attack the pawn by the pawn. We will see how to count this much white. White take the knight by the white take the pawn by the pawn. Then knight take the pawn. In this case, white playing another move of knight f3. Now this knight attack the knight. Then queen come to f6. Now this queen defend the knight. Okay, black knight. Okay. Then knight take the knight. Then queen take the knight. Then bishop come to d3. Then black bishop come to c5. Okay. We will see how to count this match white. White made a short castling right now. In this case, now black playing amazingly. Now his knight come to f6. Okay, we will see how to black won the game. White will resign this match. The 8th move of knight to c3. Okay, we will see how to count this match black. black pawn go to d6. Now defend the bishop by the pawn. Then ninth move of h3. He push the pawn to h3. Then bishop cross h3. Bishop cut the pawn. Why the bishop? Bishop take the pawn. Black bishop take the white pawn. In this case, now he cannot cut the pawn by the pawn to bishop. You can see now. I am going to tell you. He cannot cut like this. He moves knight d5. White move knight d5. Okay. His idea is he make a fork. What is the wrong moves he did? His idea is he make a fork, then wrap the rook. What? Now we will see how to carry this match black. Black queen go to g3. Okay. Now he take the queen or knight. Knight cut the f6 squares. We will see the knight take the knight. This is the bad moves white did, because we will see he take the pawn, he take the knight by the pawn, then white queen go to f3. We will see how to carry this match. Black queen cross f3. Queen take the queen. Then g cross f3. This is the bad moves. That's why we now wrap the rook. Rook g8. Check now. In this case, now king need to move. King go to here. Oh, king go to there. If go there, wrap the rook. Then king take the bishop. In this match, black won the match. White resigned because black has so many pieces. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 3. Hello everyone. Welcome to Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 3 in Nimzowitsch Defence. Why black resign in 9 moves only? How to white won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move e4, king's pawn opening, then knight c6. Okay, Nimzowitsch Defence, knight f3, decline variation. Nimzowitsch Defence decline variation. This is d5, e cross d5, queen cross d5. Knight c3, then queen a5, d4, bishop f5, bishop b5, e6. In some moves, black resign. We will see why black resign. I am going to tell you after that some moves. Knight e5, bright knight go to e5, black played bishop b4. Now pin the knight, then bishop go to d2. That's it. In one move, black resign. We will see why black resign. Knight e7. Then knight c4. Now wrap the queen. That's it. We can see now this knight attack the queen. This queen cannot go anywhere. Cannot go there, cannot go there, cannot go there. In this case, he take the bishop and take the queen. That's it. That's why black resigned this game. Okay, we can go to the wrap number 4. Hello everyone, this is wrap number 4, last wrap. Okay, why black resign in 9 moves only? How to white won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. First move e4, knight c6. This is Nimzowitsch Defence, knight f3, decline variation. Then d6, d4, bishop g4. Then d5, push the pawn to d5, attack the knight by the pawn. Then knight go to e5. Then knight cross e5. Then bishop cross d1. Now queen is gone. We will see why black resign. Okay, bishop b5 and check. That's it. In queen d7, black the check with queen. Then wrap the queen with bishop. Check now. He cannot cut like this. Then king go to d8. Then knight cross f7 and beautiful check there. King take the bishop. Now king cross. We will see king take the bishop. In this match, now black resign, because we will see. I am going to tell you this knight attack this rook. Okay, if need to move black cannot move rook, cannot save the rook. Okay, if move like this, then wrap the rook. That's it. That's why black resign in 9 moves only. We can go to the checkmate puzzles time. Okay, let's go to the checkmate puzzles. Hello everyone. Welcome to Chess YouTube channel. This is checkmate puzzles time. In 5 moves, white won by checkmate. First move is white chain. Okay. If you know the answer, please say your answer below the comment section. I am going to give you 30 seconds only. You need to find the right answer. Okay. I am going to give you 30 seconds only. You need to find the right answer. If you know the answer, please say your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Now the timer is running. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Chess YouTube channel. This is checkmate puzzles answer right now. Okay, first move is white chain. How to white win by checkmate in 5 moves only. Let's go to the moves. First move is queen a8. This beautiful moves keep mate. Now knight b7, then queen cross b7, then bishop c6, queen cross c6, queen cross d2. In this case, queen h1 and beautiful check. Now black the check with queen, then wrap the queen and checkmate. That's it. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.